Hey guys, so as you can tell from the title, it is my Stitch Fix day. This is my 20th fix, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is number 20. I always get super excited about getting this box. I'm super excited to see what's in it. I did not check yet. I did open it so I didn't struggle on camera because, you know, I don't really edit. So I am going to show you everything that's inside the box and then I will try it all on afterwards. And if this is your first time watching one of my Stitch Fix, I always want to say movies, my Stitch Fix videos. I post on my Instagram stories and I do a poll and I ask you guys if I should keep it or not. My Instagram link is below if you want to take part in the fun. It should be live a few hours after this is up tomorrow, this video. So if it's not up, I put it in my highlights too, so you can still take a look at what I've gotten in this Stitch Fix, as well as in my past ones too. So yeah, I would love your help, so let me know. And I also have a referral link, which gives you $25 in credit to Stitch Fix if you have not yet used the service. So it's not an affiliate link, but it's a referral link, so you get $25 and then I will get $25 to spend on any purchases in my future fixes. So up to you if you want to use it, but you pretty much get your fix for free because each Stitch Fix, you would think I'd be able to say that perfectly right now, but each fix is $20. There's a styling fee that's $20 and that gets applied to anything that you purchase in your fixes. So you get $25, so you get the $20 for the Stitch Fix styling fee, I believe, and then you get the $5 to spend on anything you keep. So anyways, it comes so beautifully packaged. Look at how they wrap the clothing. And look at this, there's like, looks like great fall weather colors. I'm in Florida for the first time in fall and I feel like it's still like 90 plus outside. I am so sweaty. Maybe you can't tell it because I'm a little further back so I can show you the clothes, but honestly, you know I'm a sweaty mess. Oh, and it looks like there is a piece of jewelry or something in here as well. So we have the clothes and then it comes with a sheet that shows you all the pieces that you got and gives you some outfit ideas. And then there's also a piece of paper that gives you the pricing of everything. And also it'll tell you the pricing. If you keep all 5 items, you save 25%. So it'll tell you the total for that too. And then there's a mailing bag. So anything you don't keep, there is a pre-labeled bag that you can send everything back so you don't have to pay for return shipping, which is awesome. So I am gonna keep this in here because there's probably cat hair all over my bed. No matter what I do, how many times I clean it, it's covered because my cats like to cuddle. I don't know, I think they're actually outside on my lanai right now. I should probably be watching them, but at least they're not here laying on the clothes. So I am going to start with this first item. What is this? Oh, so this is a blouse by Klein. Oh, nice. See, I just have something like this, so I don't know if I'll end up keeping this. I mean, unless I love, love, love it on me. And it's just so hot here, it's hard to imagine. I don't think it'll ever really get cold here. Maybe in like January it'll be like 60. But anyways, this is a Klein dust and roll sleeve blouse in black size medium, and it is $68. So it's really good quality, and I like the neckline. I'll try it on for you guys in a bit, but yeah, I have something kind of similar. Oh, where's my styling note? Usually I have a note from my stylist. Oh, so it's on this. Let me check it really quick. Okay, so I think it's the same stylist as last month. Abby, does that sound right? I don't know, because I had a few different stylists for a while since I moved. So this is Hello Kitty, happy fix day. I'm so excited to be styling another fix for you today. Okay, so it is the same stylist. I hope you're having an amazing week and that these new wardrobe additions make it that much better. My goal for today's fix is to provide some new pieces to pair with the pieces you've enjoyed from the last fix and give you some new items to help you transition seamlessly into your fall wardrobe. Let's start with this feminine dress. Oh, I won't read all the information about the items because I haven't gotten to them yet. And I like surprises. So that's nice, they leave you a little note every time and it makes it feel more personalized, which Stitch Fix is really personalized. I've talked about my tips for getting your best fix before in my blog. I think I don't know if I really talked about in depth on my YouTube channel, but I love pinning pins from Stitch Fix, and your stylist will actually look at your social media accounts like your Instagram and your Pinterest, so I highly suggest pinning images because you might sometimes get things you pin, or at least you'll get an overall view of your style. I actually have a board called Stitch Fix Inspiration or Style Inspiration or something like that. I'll link it below, and it's images directly from Stitch Fix that you can pin to your own Stitch Fix board and let your stylist see it, and you may get those items or at least something similar and they'll know your style. So I'll link that below so you guys can check it out. Oh, so this is a blazer, which I honestly I doubt I'll end up keeping this because I'm sweating right now. I am in Florida. I just can't even imagine needing this, but it seems really nice. It's like a navy blue, I think. Sometimes I think I'm colorblind, but yeah, it's like an ink type color. 41 Hawthorne. Let's see. There's my sheet of paper. I'm seriously sweating. I'm right in front of the window right now. The sun is shining on me. It's hot. So this is the 41 Hawthorne blazer, like I said, in navy. Okay, it's size medium, and it's $88. All right. And then the next thing, ooh, I like the color of this. Is like a maroon. Oh, it's like a shirt dress. A maroon shirt dress. I like this. This is something I could wear in the fall here. Okay, who is this by? Mix by 41 Hawthorne. So they must have a new line by 41 Hawthorne. Yeah, Mix by 41 Hawthorne. Luriana sleeve dress in burgundy, size medium, $42. I like this. So try that on soon. And then, ooh, what is this? Ooh, I love this. It's lightweight too, so maybe I can keep it. BCBG. Long sleeve dress. It looks like there's pockets in the front too. Oh my god, you guys, this is so pretty. Do you see that detail? Oh, let's see how much it is. Hopefully it's not too much. BCBG, the Yana knit dress in size medium, $78. So it says if I keep all of my items, it's $203, which isn't awful. I am trying to save money right now. I'm pretty broke, but and I don't think I'll keep everything. That's a good deal, I think, because when you keep all 5 items, you save $76, which is more than some of the items. But all right, anyways, I am going to try these on, and I will be right back and show you. Hey guys, so this is the black Calvin Klein blouse. I mean, it's nice. It's just like a normal black blouse. $68 is a lot. I don't think I'm going to keep this, but I did put a poll up on my Instagram story right now. And also I realized I didn't show you my 5th item. Just silly me. I'm so used to there just being clothes items, so I just kind of got a little excited about trying them on. So I'm going to see what's in this like little jewelry box, which I'm assuming is jewelry. Yeah. I didn't even peek on that sheet. These are pretty cute. They're not like 100% my style. Maybe I'm just like not in the fall mood. Like Florida is so hot and I still want like bright colors and bright things, and like this is like fall. I guess you can wear these earrings anytime, but something about them reminds me of like holiday. They're cute though. Let's see how much they are. Okay, these are by Marilyn Schiff, Dalila round crystal earrings, $28. They're cute, but we'll see. I do like them, I guess. But will I wear them all the time? I don't know. So I'm thinking no on both of these. And I'm just going to throw on that blazer over this, even though I'm so freaking hot, but it'll just be easier. Okay, so yeah, I need to make it clear to my stylist. Always be clear to your stylist, by the way. Like, that's the only way they're going to know your style and all that stuff. Tell them what you want, how things fit. Do, like, really, like, once you check out online, after you get your first fix, like, your first fix is not going to be perfect, by the way. If it is, you're very lucky. But make sure you fill out the little, it's not like a survey, but at the end when you check out, you say if you want to keep or return each item, and you give reasons about, like, how the fit was. Like, you say if it fit great, if it was too tight, too big, if the quality was good, and all this stuff. And you can leave a little note, like there's a little description box, or just box, and you can write in there, be like, this isn't really my style, or I would have loved this in whatever color. Like, give good feedback so they can know. I would say it takes like 2 or 3 fixes for them to really get to know your style, but it will help if you have that Pinterest board like I told you. But yeah, I'm gonna tell my stylist I still want more like summery type items, because it's not gonna get cool here. I looked at the weather yesterday and every single day was over 90 degrees here. Like, you know, like a blazer just is, I wanna get stuff I can wear now. I don't wanna get stuff that I have to wait months to wear, if I even, you know. I bet in January I can wear, this will be the perfect type jacket, but I want stuff for now. This is really comfortable and cute though. There's a little button in front. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't wear these two together. And I really like this. That's super cute. You know, so I think this would be great if I lived in Chicago still. But it's just realistic. I want stuff for now. I don't want to buy stuff for months from now. So I'm gonna let my stylist know that. So I'm gonna go take a picture for my Instagram story, and then I will try on the next item, and I will be right back. Hi, so this is my favorite item by far, like the only possible keep for me. I didn't notice at first there's this little like keyhole or whatever you call it on the sleeves, which is unique. It's super comfortable. It hits about, let me see, I'm gonna go a little further back. Can you see? It goes to like a few inches above my knee. Sorry, you probably couldn't tell. This is like, I'm not the best at showing off clothes. Plus, I don't have the body for that, but this is really comfy. I could see myself wearing this in the fall in Florida. Get that, stylist? I'm from Florida. But anyways, there's one more dress, which I really think is beautiful. It's kind of expensive. This one's $42, which is in my price range, I guess. I have a feeling I might really love this. I'm gonna double check the temperatures in the fall and winter in Florida, but I'm pretty sure it will be wearable eventually. But like I said, I wanna wear things now. But I will be right back with the last item. I was right. I love this. Look at, there's pockets I can put my phone in. The pockets kind of make it seem like you're bigger, but I'm already bigger, whatever. But the sleeves hit the perfect spot. Super comfy, not super tight in the boobs like some dresses are. A couple inches above the waist. I think this would be great for fall. Oh my god, look at the colors. Like I love this. So this was $78 by BCBG, so I don't know, you guys, should I keep it? You have to let me know Instagram stories, like I told you. Add me on Instagram. Or at least look at my page and let me know in the polls if you watch this right away. If not, it'll be in the highlights, in my Stitch Fix highlights. But this is definitely my style. I love this style dress. It's light, so I think I will be able to wear it eventually. Right now, it's too hot. But I don't know, hopefully it'll start cooling down for it. I'm like seriously sweating here. I'm so sorry I'm so sweaty in all my videos. But anyways, I am gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. And again, let me know what you think, either in the comments below, Instagram, or both. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.